Hi everyone, so welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add your favorite music to a Facebook story. So here you can just start by opening the Facebook app and click on the create story, and in here just choose a photo or video. So for example, I want to use this video, and to add the music you can just click on stickers at the top, then choose music. Okay, so in here you'll find lots of music options or songs. You can just search for a certain artist or music, or you can also use the one provided by Facebook, the suggestion here. This is usually the trending now, so I'm going to add, for example, this songs right here. And then you can change the appearance of the music sticker by clicking on that music, and here you can change it like this. Okay, you can also drag swipe left or right to choose a certain positions of the song, and after that just click on done, and you can also reposition the music stickers. Okay, after that you can click on share, and this story will be shared to your Facebook. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to click like, thanks, subscribe, and also comment. Bye.